cooking, folks. I'm practicing making good old potato pancakes or potato latke, as we know it in New York here. I'm practicing for Passover, and I got my groove back here in the kitchen a little bit, post-COVID. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this has been in the pan for about 2.5 minutes, and what you can see how it's cooked through here. Well, this is what you want pretty much all over, and then you know when to flip it. Okay, I will post the recipe. So easy. Potatoes, salt and pepper, a little bit of flour. I actually snuck some chickpea flour in here. You can use any kind of flour. And some people put an egg. I don't think it's necessary because you can see it's just fine the way it is. I like them nice and flat. So this is my version, the version that we had when we were kids. I can give a shout out to my sister Liz. I love you so much. And you know, she's in lockdown too. Her restaurant is closed in New Brunswick, Canada as well. So maybe she'll practice too. I know she's been doing all kinds of cooking. But here's the thing about these things. Are you ready for me to turn this over? Watch this. Watch how golden brown this is going to be. I can tell it's already ready. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Is that beautiful or what? That is gorgeous. Not bad. I haven't made these for a long time, so that's why I'm practicing. But let's envision what we're going to have on them. Oh my goodness. Like sour cream and chives, like spicy jelly maybe, like of course applesauce. But one of the things that I'm really envisioning is an egg right there, baby. An over easy egg. How delicious would that be? Oh, just fabulous. Yum, yum, yum. Anyway, signing off. I want you to practice this too. These are so easy to make. And get your groove on too in the kitchen. Signing off. Love you. Boom, boom, boom.